I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Alright, what up, peeps? We back with another one. Hold on, we kind of dark as hell in here. Let me get some light. Oh. Boom. There go that in stereo. It's your boy LS Ride 254, man, and you tune in for another one. We back with another video. The last video, y'all know I told y'all that I ain't had I ordered the wrong stuff for the lens, but this is take 2, and we should be good to go with this. So this is it pretty much was the same price, maybe give or take $1. So I'm just gonna return the other stuff, which is over there in that box there. I just gotta go drop it off tomorrow. But this one should fit on the lens and stay as it needs to. We got Vivitar 49mm, not the 50 whatever that we had the other day. It was too big, but it looks practically the same. Like I said, it's just a slight size difference. And all we gotta do is twist this off and then twist the new one on. So watch as the magic is about to happen. I don't know why the light blinking like it's the purge when it happens. All right, so I'm gonna screw it on real time so you can see exactly how much wider did it get. All right, and there it is. Live 3D in full effect, man. There you can kind of see. It does, I'm not gonna say it's distortion, but I kind of like this angle. It's kind of cool. I'm trying to say, I don't know if that's like a smudge on the lens. I think we're good though. As far as the tracking, I feel like it kind of loses it just a little bit. But opposed to paying $300 for all another lens, then I think we're good. I also bought these filters right here, which are going to be for I believe it's an ND filter. So it's like a UV filter, and then there is a ND filter. What the ND filter does is make it to where you can still have a shallow depth of field, but still shoot kind of wide open. This one is this one says CPL on it. I'm not necessarily sure what that one is, but this one right here should make it to where like it's like the lighting is not an issue. You can still shoot kind of wide open, and you still be able to have that same lighting situational scenario. So these were made by Allura. I will put the links to both of these down in the description box below, so where if you have the Canon M50 and want to make these upgrades, you can do just that. So all right, now let me play with the settings a little bit, because it has made it significantly darker. I will say that it doesn't look as clear as it did before. With just the, what's the word I'm looking for? With just the wide angle on there, it does a pretty good choice pretty good job. When you put the ND filter on there, in addition to that, then it kind of dumbs it down a little bit. So I'm gonna take that off, and like I said, that's kind of back better than it was before. A little bright, but like I said, now you can step back over here, bring the lighting down, have it like one step up, and where my autofocus button at. Yeah, so right there, like I said, it's good. I don't really have to worry about anything like that. This wide angle, it takes it wider, so even though it's right here, I can still see like all of me, all of y'all, you know what I'm saying, in the camera, and it's not kind of far out. So this was the desired look that I was going for, I'm pretty sure. The only final test or whatnot will be is to take it outside. And lucky for y'all, today it is bright as shit outside. So we are going to see exactly what it is that the ND filter can do and benefit us on this level. So let's go. I'm not even gonna cut it off. You know what I'm saying? The only thing I'm gonna have to do is spin it around. I mean, the ND filter, as long as you got some type of light, I mean, it really ain't that bad. But like out here in this very, 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 very brightness, you can see what I'm talking about. There is like a little bit of vignetting around the screen, but it's really honestly not that bad. So, like I said, this is us if we was at a car show, etc., etc. And you kind of see, I don't know why is it moving like that. But yeah, like this is me, like I said, 2 or 3 feet away from the vehicle, and I can walk it all the way around. Y'all don't judge me, I still ain't put the parts on the car, man. I've been working on 2 doors in the shop or in the lab. So yeah, see that there? Man, like if I want to see the whole truck, you know what I'm saying, whole truck and some, there might be some cropping that need to kind of go on. But I mean, if you can deal with this little funky little vignetting that's going on, you can see it, the field around the corners, and I think you'll be all right. So, but yeah, that's like looking directly into the sun for whatever reason. Like I said, the ND filter is gonna make it to where I guess your settings can be to where they're good, but it's not overwhelming. And that's the best part about that, man. So let me know what y'all think about the setup, man. If you think it's good, if you think it's worth it. I mean, for 15, well, all in all, with the ND filters and everything, 30 bucks. I was saying, I think it's worth it. So versus spending 100, or no, not 100, versus spending $300 something on a whole new setup or a whole new lens, and then still have to buy a filter. This is the budget way to do it. So till next time, man, it's your boy LSRod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, Whip Fest coming soon, baby.